Iya.
Oh ya.
Di Unsia.
Oke.
Ayo, teman-teman saya terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Ayo, this festival is really beautiful, nice.
Nice, mantap.
Yeah, very mantap. Mantap
Very
sekali.
mantap.
So,
Very mantap.
ya, saya tinggal di Darussalam.
Darussalam. Oke.
Jarang ini asrama.
Saya mau mangga, apel.
Dia kayaknya ngidam.
Saya mau makan
apa?
ayam goreng.
Ayam lepas mau.
Ayam goreng di Indonesia ini enak deh.
Enak.
Gadis di Indonesia.
Gadis Indonesia.
Cantik.
Manis.
Oke, gadis-gadis Indonesia manis ya.
Nyum manis.
You manis. Ayo, Senegal.
Orang-orang di Indonesia
Ya.
bagus.
Bagus. Baik.
Good.
Baik saja. Baik saja. Saya mau bicara
Ya.
di international office.
Oh ya. Terus?
Terima kasih. Saya mau bicara di office Indonesia, di office international office. Terima kasih di festival ini. Ini festival nih.
Bagus
ya.
Bagus banget.
Bagus banget. Terima kasih. Saya mau
What do you want? Oh, mau nyanyi.
saya mau menyanyi di Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Menyanyi ini di bahasa Inggris.
Oh ya.
Di bahasa Inggris.
Mau menyanyi di bahasa Inggris di Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Oke.
Do you need any instrument?
Oh, tidak.
Jadi langsung ya.
Tidak.
Oke.
Terima kasih.
Oke. Apa?
Nama saya Muhammad. Nama saya itu bahasa Indonesia mantap.
Mantap. Ya. Oke.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Keluar
Udah.
asap ya.
Udah.
Oke. Kita sambut aja ya.
1, 2,
This is Mamadou.
3.
Senegal.
Do you really know this great man born in Makkah, chosen by his Lord to be his last messenger, to be the seal of prophecy? Do you know the story of the great man born in Makkah, chosen by his Lord to be his last messenger, to be the seal of prophecy? Call him Ahmad, call him Muhammad, call him the prophet, call him the messenger. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. His father's name is Abdullah, his mother's name is Amina, breastfeeded by Halimatu Sadiya, nursed by the servant Ummu Aiman. He grown as an orphan under the shelter of his great uncle Abu Talib. He married the first mother of the believers, Khadija bint Uwaylid. She offered him love, wealth, health, shelter and children. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We love you, we love you. We love you, Ya Rasulullah. We love you, we love you. We love you, Ya Nabi Allah. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Terima kasih.
Cuma satu.
Okay. Now,
Huh?
okay, I would like to perform my